Welcome to the Keep It Simple training series on medical billing. In this video, we're going to discuss entering patient demographics. Hi, my name is Janice Humphreys, and if you're interested in anything related to medical billing, please visit our website at medicalbillingguide.com. And if you're on a budget, be sure to sign up for our free email tips that will save you time and money. Just click on the link below this video to sign up. So, is medical billing right for you? Well, these videos are intended to give you a bird's eye view of what a medical biller actually does every day, which may help you decide if this is a field you will be interested in pursuing, because there's no sense running if you're going down the wrong road. So here's a list of medical billing tasks, and in this video we're going to talk about registering patients in your software, or also known as entering demographics. So, patient registration. When you go to the doctor for the first time, you're handed a clipboard and asked to fill out a bunch of forms. And along with this, you'll be asked for your insurance card, which they'll make a copy of. So the information that you enter would be, the name, address, phone number, date of birth, gender, insurance carrier, insurance address, policy number, group number. And if you're a medical biller, this is the information you pick up from the practice in order to do the billing. So at this point, I'd like to mention HIPAA. Federal law requires that covered entities, that's your client, and business associates, that's you as a billing service, protect patient data and keep it private. So as a medical biller, it's critical to safely store and/or dispose of this private information. And here's an example of the top portion of a patient demographic form. So now let's switch over to some software and take a look at entering demographics. For a better view of the software demonstration, be sure to click the full screen button here on your YouTube video screen. I've opened TotalMD Medical Billing Software, the sample company. This is the software we use in our medical billing service. It's very easy to use and has great support, very reasonably priced as well. So I'm going to open up a ledger, and we're just going to be entering in demographics. Simple demographic entry, doesn't take a lot of effort. I'm going to hit F8 and go into the last name field. I think you'll find that with most software works in the same fashion. I'm going to enter in the address, okay, and the home phone number, work number. You want to have enough information to be able to get in touch with the patient. That's really important. The employer, I can search for the employer, and the employer is already set up. A lot of these support files have to be set up, and I'm going to enter in the assigned provider. This is the provider responsible for this patient. Date of birth. Social Security number is very good information if you can get it. Sometimes if the policy number is a problem for you, if it wasn't entered correctly, the Social Security number is an excellent way to be able to get to that policy number information from an insurance carrier. It's automatically entered this into the other ID. I could put anything in this field if I wanted to. It's just an alternate way to search for the patient. Some of these fields will vary by specialty, whether you need to complete them or not. Referring provider, things like that. So I'm going to come over to the insurance carrier, and I'm going to hit the drop down and find the Blue Cross Blue Shield. And this patient has her own insurance. And then enter the policy number and the group number. Now the patient only has one insurance policy according to this demographic form. I don't have a secondary policy, so I'm just going to save it. And that's it. That's how I would enter in a new patient. In closing, I'd like to remind you that when learning something new, ask yourself this question: how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So be on the lookout and tune in for more how-to videos about medical billing, low-cost software, coding tips, finding jobs, or starting a home business on a budget. And remember to sign up for special email tips that will save you time and money. Just click on the link below this video to sign up. Thanks for joining me, and please tune in for more of our Keep It Simple training series on medical billing.